The term store in SharePoint 2010 allows you to create working taxonomies in a short period of time. As you start using a tool, you begin to discover its limitations. Once you understand them, you will eventually encounter situations where you have to create workarounds in order to use the tool to create what you want. Today, I want to show you one of the term store's limitations and share with you a workaround in order to help you create a working taxonomy. How do you reuse a term that is a parent of a term that is already in a term set? If you try to reuse the parent term and its child is already in the term set, you will get an error message. While the term store is trying to be helpful by not allowing you to do this, there are many reasons why you may have to. The reason you may encounter most often is that the actual users of the taxonomy have a valid reason for requesting the term in question be reused. In order to reuse the parent term in the term set you need it in, you have to create a situation within the taxonomy where you can reuse it. You can do this by temporarily reusing the parent term with all of its children in another group. The term store does not realize that this parent term and all its children are the same as the original. It only sees a term from a term set in another group. Next, delete all of the children of the parent term. The term store does not realize that this parent term and all its children are the same as the original. It only sees a term from a term set in another group. Next, delete all the children of the parent term. Now you can reuse the parent term where it is needed in the term set you want it in. Now there is a copy of the parent term floating around in another group, but there's no need to worry. Once you have reused the parent term that you need, all you have to do is delete the copy from the other group. Deleting a copy will not affect the reused parent term in the new term set. The term is now in the place that you want it. With this workaround, you now have another tool to employ as you use term store to build out a working taxonomy for your users.